Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start studying mechanical engineering. To begin, focus on building a robust foundation in mathematics and physics. Mastering calculus, differential equations, and linear algebra is crucial. Simultaneously, delve into core physics concepts like Newtonian mechanics and thermodynamics. These subjects form the bedrock of all mechanical engineering principles, enabling you to tackle more complex topics later on. Dedicate at least several months to solidifying these fundamental areas before moving forward. Once your foundational knowledge is strong, dive into core mechanical engineering concepts. Solid mechanics teaches you how materials respond to forces, while fluid mechanics explores the behavior of liquids and gases. Thermodynamics is essential for understanding energy conversion and heat engines. These areas are interconnected, providing a comprehensive view of how mechanical systems operate. Aim to spend at least 1 year thoroughly understanding these critical subjects, as they are central to nearly every aspect of the field. Beyond theory, practical skills are indispensable for a mechanical engineer. Start by learning computer-aided design, or CAD, software. It is used for designing and modeling components. Engage in hands-on projects, perhaps building a simple robot or a small engine, to apply your theoretical knowledge. Familiarize yourself with common manufacturing processes and basic workshop tools. Developing programming skills, especially in Python or MATLAB, will also greatly enhance your analytical capabilities and efficiency in solving complex engineering problems. Mechanical engineering is a field of continuous learning and innovation. Seek out internships or co-op experiences to apply your knowledge in a professional setting and gain invaluable industry insights. Join engineering clubs or participate in design competitions to collaborate with peers and tackle exciting challenges. Always stay curious and keep learning through online courses, workshops, and industry publications. Networking with experienced engineers can also open doors to new opportunities and provide guidance throughout your career journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.